Finally, ChatGPT is again available in Italy, so I'm quite happy, not because of ChatGPT, but because in this video I can show you and talk you about Harpa.ai. Harpa is a browser extension, as you can see, ChatGPT Chrome Automation Copilot. It's not only for Chrome, it works even with Firefox and Opera. And I needed ChatGPT to work again here because this thing needs ChatGPT to work. And it's really interesting because it gives ChatGPT superpower. Anyway, welcome to Digital Toolcase. If you like this kind of content, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel, because in the next few days I have something really interesting to show you. Okay, so let's take a look at this Harpa.ai. You can find the link in the description. It's totally free. This is an extension for your browser, so you need to get AI agent, and once you install this Chrome extension, you just need to click here on your extensions in your browser and use Harpa.ai, or you can, if you have a Windows, click on the Alt+A combination on your keyboard and you have your Harpa.ai. So for example, I'm on this Google page, and if I click Alt+A, this is my Harpa extension. Let's take a look at it because it's really interesting. You have some settings here, so you can choose day and night. This is just the dark theme. I can leave it dark. You can choose your language. You can choose some other settings here, and you can configure it as you like. Then you have this monitor page, because you can monitor a specific page and get updates about a specific page, or you can use AI directly on your browser. So this is like having ChatGPT interact with any web page. You have some instructions here, and you have some templates. For example, if I click here on this little icon, show AI commands, as you can see, I have many commands. I have translate to English, reply, rewrite, compose. I can choose between different categories, for example, productivity, and I have these ones. I have control, and I have these ones with marketing and SEO. I have, for example, keyword report, keyword strategy generator, and so on. I have the copywriting ones to generate content. I have learning, I have recruiting, I have generative AI, and spreadsheets, and again engineering, and assistant. As you can see, there are many templates, but let's see how it can help you and how it can work. Just for example, if I search for something here in Google, let's say how to tie a tie, then I can open my Harpa.ai, and as you can see, automatically Harpa.ai is using ChatGPT, because you need to connect it with your ChatGPT account, to give me some information about my Google search. To tie a tie, you can follow these steps. So I have something similar to, for example, Bing Chat in this case, but it's using the power of ChatGPT to give me an answer. But let's do something different. In this example, I'm on Amazon and I searched for ice maker machine. I can open my Harpa extension here and write a command, for example, give me a table with a comparison of specifics and prices for the items on this, and here I can interact with this page by clicking here, page text. If I click here, as you can see, now I have a variable. So with this simple command, give me a table with a comparison of specifics and prices for the items on this page, I suppose it will work and I will have a table. Let's try, because because obviously it's not always perfect, but it's really interesting. As you can see, it's writing something. It's not a table in this case, but let it finish and let me make it larger here. I'm sorry, I cannot provide a table as the information is not structured in a table format. Okay, no problem, but as you can see, I have a list of these items and I have some specifics. For example, ice maker commercial ice machine self-clean 379.99, it's this one. ADT ice machine, it's this one. Then again, Egg Lucky countertop ice machine, it's this one. As you can see, it's interacting with this page and giving me some specifics. So this is quite interesting. It may be useful if you want to create, for example, a roundup article, or if you want to compare some products in this quick example. You can do whatever you want with the content of this page. You don't have any limits. You may use your fantasy. Now let me try to open one of these items here. This one, for example. Again, I open my extension here and let me try to ask something, or maybe I can also use one of these commands for marketing and SEO. For example, let's say, let me check if there's something interesting. Okay, I can try this one. As you can see, it's also marked with this Amazon icon, SEO-friendly product description writer. If I click here, I suppose I need to insert something here, your list of features, keywords, and anything you can say about the product. Okay, I just need to click on this page text, or I can just click on enter, leave blank, as you can see, to parse product information from page. This is really useful because I just need to click enter here, and this Harpa AI will generate a review, will generate a description for this product. Let me check this very quickly. Introducing the Egg Lucky countertop ice maker machine, the perfect solution, and so on. It's more a product description than a review, but I can also ask for a review. For example, create a quick blog section with a review for, and again I click on this page text, click on enter, and voila, I have my review. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient ice maker, the Egg Lucky countertop ice maker machine might be just what you need. And so on. You have this tool to grab information from here. You may be even more specific in your command and generate your reviews to insert in your blog roundup article. Let me try this one. I'm just trying, and it's the same thing you need to do when using these tools. Give me a summary of the customer's reviews for, again, this variable page, and define pros and cons. I have this answer. Unfortunately, as an AI language model, I don't have access to real-time customer reviews. However, based on the product description and ratings on Amazon, the Egg Lucky countertop ice maker machine appears to be a popular and highly rated choice among customers. It's using this data to generate this text. I want to see if I go here on these reviews. Maybe grabbing these reviews I can have something different. Let me try again. Okay, as you can see, based on the product page, the Egg Lucky countertop ice maker machine has received this number of customer ratings, and it's correct. As you can see, it's the same number. Overall rating 4.3, and it's correct. Customers have praised the ice maker for its compact size, portability, efficiency. So if you obviously go here on reviews, you can grab some data and have your summary. You can't do it for all these reviews because every different rating is on a different page. I don't know if you can mix them. Anyway, this is just an example of what you can do with this Harpa.ai. You can also click here and grab any text from the page. You just need to select the text, and as you can see, you can insert this text into Harpa and use it as you want. Now I want to try something different. Again, this is one of my videos from some weeks ago, and I want to try this YouTube video summary. It's another one of these templates you have here. I don't know, but I think this can grab my video transcription and generate a summary. It's doing it from its own. You can use GPT-4 for $9 monthly on a site called holistic.ai. This is not correct because of my mispronunciation inside my video, which allows for unlimited usage with the first 600,000 tokens. You can try GPT-4 for free. And again, this is a quick summary of my video, and I have to say, despite these little error here, the summary is correct because I talked about all these things in my video. So again, this is a very good tool. It's free. You need to use it together with your ChatGPT account. And again, you have many different templates here, so you can interact with any web page. You may also go to a blog article. Let's try it right now. Let's say I'm on this blog article. Again, I open Harpa here, and I can, for example, let's say use this extract and research SEO keywords. It's extracting keywords from competitors' article, perform keyword research, and find keywords density and LSI keywords. This is really interesting. You just need to click and click on enter, so it will use this page. And as you can see now, I have a really interesting table with a keyword density, and LSI keywords. So how to write. This is the density, tips and tricks, writing tips, joke, bio. I have review and all these LSI keywords. As you can see, it's a fantastic tool. I think you will find it really useful. Again, click on the link on the description. It's just harpa.ai and try it by yourself. I really hope you liked this tool, this idea, this video, and if so, please click on the like button, subscribe to my channel. Again, in the next few days, I have a really interesting tool to show you, so you don't want to miss my next videos. Thank you very much for being here as always, and I'll see you soon in the next one.